lovelies, thank you for coming back for some more fun makeup inspiration. I'm giving you some more Disney inspired looks, and I figured we needed to show some honor to classic Minnie Mouse. So this is going to be a very basic makeup tutorial because Minnie Mouse is like your classic icon, like, you know, like a Marilyn Monroe or an Audrey Hepburn. You don't need a lot. It's just going to be a fresh, flawless look, and then of course finishing off with a red pouted lip. First up is just your basic white eyeshadow. I'm using a matte one to start, and I'm just sweeping it across my entire lid. And the next shade is called White Frost. This is basically your just like kind of soft, gleaming, pearlescent white, and I'm putting it over my entire lid and even under the eyebrow. I added eyeliner with my basic black eyeliner pencil, but now to get a little extra fancy, I'm going in with this color from MAC. It's called Cinderella, and it is this black, shimmery, beautiful being that I'm just adding on top of the eyeliner to add a little glitz. Then I'm going in with my mascara, top and bottom, to really make those lashes pop. I'm going in with a very pop of pink blush, and this shade is called Dolly Mix. Isn't that so cute? It's from MAC as well, and I'm just going along the cheekbone and sweeping it up and out, and then also making sure to cover that apple of your cheek. To make my eye pop even more, I'm going into that bottom waterline with a pencil from Sephora, and it is in the shade called Coconut. We can't forget about the highlight. I'm going in several places with this highlight. I'm going in the inner corner of my eye, I'll go underneath my brow bone, and then also tops of the cheekbone, your nose, the bridge of it, and the tip of it, that cupid's bow right above your lips and your chin, hitting all of those spots where the light just hits you so you have that beautiful gleaming glow. And we can't forget about that lovely red pout. So I'm lining my lips now with Brick lip liner. Completing it with a lipstick from MAC, and it's called Shocking Revelation. This is one of the matte powder lipsticks. Oh my gosh, I just love the texture of how it leaves my lips. It's so beautiful. It's like that blue-red as well. Oh, I love it. I told you, super basic and simple. There's not a lot of steps involved in this look because she's just so iconic and classic that you're able to keep it very minimal. This is how I would do it if I were wearing these ears to the park, to have a little mini inspiration. If you want to go like that little extra step, you could add a cute little black button nose, which I thought about doing, but this is more likely what I would actually wear out to the park unless it was more like Halloween themed. I hope you lovelies enjoyed this Minnie Mouse makeup tutorial. If you did, I would love it if you gave it a thumbs up. If you're wanting some more inspiration from me, you can check these videos out over here on the side. If you haven't subscribed, just hit that button right there, and then make sure to hit the bell down below. That way you'll stay notified every single time I upload a video. And until next time, stay sweet sunshines.